Morning, everyone. I'm Krista Myers, editor-in-chief of ETF.com, here with your market minute for Thursday, May 15th. So, all three major indices right now are in the red, and that is following some of the optimism that we had seen in the markets earlier this week after the United States and China agreed to a temporary pause on tariffs. So here's why investors are not feeling too rosy today. First, we had Walmart report earnings. Now, it is a bellwether for retail and therefore a bellwether for consumer sentiment and also how consumer spending is going to go. And while Walmart did report a beat on both top and bottom lines, Walmart did say that they are expecting elevated prices and a period of an economic uncertainty going forward because of the still high tariffs that do exist. Walmart is sinking today, understandably, on some of those news. Let's take a look at some retail ETFs to see how they're performing today. So we have XLY, that's a consumer discretionary select sector spider fund. It is in the red, down just over 1% in early trading. Now, we also had comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell, who said, and quote, that there was going to be a more frequent supply shocks going forward and volatile inflation, which of course gives investors concerns about the future path of rate cuts. Now, if we want to take a look at fixed income, it is doing pretty well today, somewhat in the green, though hovering around flatline. TLT, that's the iShares 20 plus year Treasury bond ETF, it is in the green, up about 1/4 percentage point, while SGov, that's the iShares 0 to 3 month Treasury bond ETF, it is right at the flat line right now. Now, if we take a look at gold, GLD, it is in the green, up about almost 3/4 percentage point, as again, investors are moving more towards those safe haven assets. Now, of course, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to ETF.com as we keep you updated on everything to do with the economy, the markets, tariffs, inflation, and of course, your investor portfolio.